This video is closed captioned. Top 10 best ski destinations in Europe. Do you love skiing? If you do, Europe should be on your list of places to ski. There are countless fantastic ski destinations in Europe, each with unique charms and features. To help you choose the best one for you, we've compiled a list of the 10 best ski destinations in Europe. You will enjoy every one of these incredible destination spots. If you enjoy our videos, join us on our journey worldwide by subscribing to our channel. Please click the bell icon to get notified when we publish a new video. Kitzbühel, Austria. The walled village of Kitzbühel in the Austrian Alps is an attractive and romantic destination for skiers. The colorful buildings house deluxe hotels on par with those found at nearby Cortina or St. Moritz. Still, affordable lodging options are available if you're traveling budget-friendly. For all 140 kilometers worth that are served by 90 lifts 180 meters up from your heels and one gondola, don't forget about Ski Welt It. Has 280 more kilometers waiting just down the slope where kids can explore the world before heading back uphill again when they need some time off their feet. Kitzbühel, where dreams come true, is a small Austrian town that is home to a daunting downhill race and an impressive Alps-facing mountain range with some of Europe's most beautiful scenery. The Honeycomb event takes place annually on 85% vertical terrain. It might be difficult. Still, ambitious riders will find what they're looking for in the Bischlam area, especially if their goal involves freestyle. For those who love powdery slopes but don't want such intense difficulty or require advanced skill set like snowboarding downhill, there's plenty else near Klamlava, including Ski Welt Combined Ticket, which includes 9 different ski areas across Austria. St. Moritz, Switzerland. The history of St. Moritz has been many world-class skiing events taking place, including the Winter Olympics in 1948 and 1928. So if you're looking to experience some of the best skiing and snowboarding in Europe, then we will put St. Moritz on your list. The slopes here are challenging and varied, offering something for everyone regardless of their skill level. And if après-ski you want to liven things up a bit, then you'll be happy to know that there are plenty of bars and restaurants in town where you can enjoy a drink or two or 3 after a long day on the slopes. St. Moritz is a world-class resort town that has hosted many competitions, including the Olympics and Winter Paralympics. In addition, visitors can often see the famous Olympic ski jump at this Swiss location. Val Gardena, Italy. Val Gardena is in the Dolomites in northern Italy. It's one of the most popular ski destinations for Europeans. The terrain ranges from beginner to expert levels, and there are plenty of slopes for all abilities. Val Gardena has a large ski area with over 130 kilometers of pistas, so you're never too far away from some fresh snow. They also have 3 4-star hotels that are perfect if you want to stay on site without having to worry about driving back home. If your family or friends visit, they can enjoy an authentic Italian experience while staying close. The Val Gardena Valley in the Dolomites is known for its mountain sports. The Celerando circuit goes through Selva de Val Grosno. This area shelters both eagle owls and rock pteramigans, while it's also home to many other fascinating species of plants or animals. The Val Gardena region of Italy is in the Dolomite mountain range, which means you'll have some stunning views. Don't worry about being too far from civilization because there are plenty of amenities to keep you entertained. You can even take a ski lesson or go for an adrenaline-pumping hike up one of the many mountains nearby. If your winter plans include visiting Italy this year, book your accommodation soon. Remember that it gets more and more crowded closer to Christmas, so plan ahead if possible. Zugspitze, Germany. Zugspitze is a mountain that overlooks the German town of Garmisch-Partenkirchen. It's the highest mountain in Germany, and it's also home to a great ski area with breathtaking views. Zugspitze has slopes for all levels, from beginners to experts, and even families with children can enjoy skiing there. There are lots of restaurants and shops around for après-skiing activities, so you'll never run out of things to do. If you're looking for a fantastic destination to spend your winter vacation, take a trip up the Zugspitze. Courchevel, France. Courchevel, France is the epitome of luxury. If you like your skiing and snowboarding surrounded by billionaires and movie stars with access to world-class slopes, then this is the resort for you. Courchevel has 3 main ski areas: Courchevel La Praz, Courchevel 1650, and Courchevel 1850. The first 2 are lower in altitude and less expensive, while Courchevel 1850 is the most luxurious and costly, home to some of the greatest slopes in the world and some of the fanciest hotels and restaurants. One downside to Courchevel 1850 is that it can be pretty crowded, especially during peak holiday periods. In contrast, Courchevel Trois and 1650 have fewer people on the slopes. Courchevel is an excellent resort for those who love fresh powder snow. It gets a lot of precipitation every year, allowing skiers and snowboarders to ride untracked powder all day long. The view from the top of the slopes is awe-inspiring, overlooking expansive valleys blanketed in snow. If you're looking for luxury combined with world-class skiing, Courchevel, France should be one of your choices. Zermatt, Switzerland. If you're looking for a getaway with skiing, climbing, and hiking all in the same place, then Zermatt is your destination. The town sits at an elevation of around 1,600 meters below the iconic pyramid-shaped Matterhorn peak, which provides endless views and gives directions on how to get there from nearby airports or train stations. There are public outdoor rinks where people often go to ice skate during winter months, while others might enjoy curling games given that it's cold outside. If you're a skier, winter sports lover, or ski lover, then you need to put Zermatt on your list of places to visit. This tiny town in the Swiss Alps is one of the most popular ski destinations in Europe. Zermatt is truly a paradise for winter sports enthusiasts, with its towering mountains and pristine slopes. So, if you're looking for an unforgettable skiing experience, be sure to add Zermatt to your travel plans. Vallées, France. Vallées, France is a ski resort town in the French Alps. It is known for its many ski runs, and winter sports lovers flock to the town each year to take advantage of the slopes and indulge in some après-ski fun. Vallées is a ski destination with an abundance of top-notch skiing and snowboarding. It has plenty to offer the outdoor enthusiast and provides enough culture for those who need something else to do in their spare time. The town itself is beautiful, filled with rich history and stunning views. Along the mountain range it's nestled against are quaint villages that make you feel you're living out one of your favorite novels. If you're looking for a fantastic ski getaway, Vallées should be at the top of your list. Cortina d'Ampezzo, Italy. Cortina d'Ampezzo is a resort in the Dolomites in northern Italy. It's a part of an area called Superski. The area encompasses sites like Falzarego Pass and its downhill runs, men's professional World Cup races at Tofane Mountain, with its women elite competition just downslope from there. Simultaneously, on other slopes lie disused ski jumps like Trampolino Olimpico Italia that hosted events during 1956 Olympic Games, which were held there. If you're looking for a winter destination that will be perfect for your family ski trip, look no further than Cortina d'Ampezzo in Italy. With over 300 inches of snow annually and some of the best slopes in Europe, this small town will keep everyone entertained throughout their stay. Cortina is also home to many attractions, such as the Dolomite Mountains and plenty of shopping opportunities with quaint shops lining cobblestone streets. You'll never run out of things to do here. Chamonix, France. Chamonix is a mountain resort area with breathtaking views. It's home to Mont Blanc, the highest summit in France and Switzerland that many people visit each year because it has world-class skiing all day long. Chamonix is one of those towns that offers something for everyone. So whether you're looking to go hiking through wildflower meadows while sampling wine at restaurants below treeline, or you want a fantastic view from high atop crags, Chamonix has got your back. If you love skiing, Chamonix, France should be at the top of your list of places to visit. This ski resort is one of the most popular in the world, and for a good reason. It has some of the best slopes around. Whether a beginner or an experienced skier, Chamonix has something to offer everyone. St. Anton am Arlberg, Austria. St. Anton am Arlberg is a small, picturesque ski resort village in the Austrian Alps with over 100 kilometers of ski slopes to explore. You'll never run out of fresh powder or new runs to conquer. The town itself is quaint, with cobblestone streets and old-world architecture that make for an unforgettable experience. Josef Nogler, founder of Austria's oldest ski school in 1909, now the resort offers skiing lessons for all ages, from beginners up to expert-level skiers. It's been home for centuries to people who love winter sports like skiing or snowboarding. St. Anton am Arlberg Museum chronicles the history of local chalet buildings with interactive exhibits, bringing you right into this exciting pastime and showing you how things worked before safety regulations came about. We hope you enjoyed this video. Which ski destinations would you like to visit? Let us know in the comments below this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell on to be sure you're the first to be notified when a new video comes out.